Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. If you're getting ready for springtime, summertime events and you want to have a projector in your home or maybe in your backyard, this might be a great option. Now, this projector was sent out to me to review and to share with you guys, so that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to unbox this guy, take a look at everything that comes in the box, and try to get it set up, and I'll show you guys exactly how this guy works. Let's get to it. All right, guys, you can see here how everything is packaged. We do have an accessory box that comes with it. This is the actual projector, which we're going to pull out right now. All right, as you guys can see here, it is well packaged, nice foam everywhere. Let's go ahead and get this guy completely out. All right, as you can see, it has a really nice base stand. It's supported by 2 arms. Let's rotate this guy forward. Nice protection here on the front. Let's go ahead and peel this off. All right, so here's our lens, no lens cover. We have our IR here in the front. Let's turn around to the back here. As you guys can see, we have our HDMI, USB. We have a headphone or speaker plug right here in the back. This looks to be venting. Underneath is our power button right here, and this is where your power plug is going to go in at the very base of this unit. All right, so let's take a look at what comes in our accessory box. Here's our lens cap, nice little rubber tab on here. That comes in really handy. Here is our standard cable. This is a 2-prong cable. We get some really nice cleaning supplies as well. We get a full-size HDMI cable. Here is our remote control. We'll come back to that in a second. We also get our quick starter guide as well as our user manual. Nice. Now, as you guys can see here, we have a number of platforms already pre-installed. We have Netflix, we have YouTube, we have Amazon Prime. We have an app folder. I'm assuming that's to download additional apps. We have our browser, and we have a cast button. Here at this level here, we have our volume rocker, a mute button. We have our focus. I'm assuming this is the focus button. This is the back button, home buttons here. All of the buttons, really tactile. Power button here, settings, all of those. So we're gonna need 2 AAA batteries. And slide the cover back on. There we go. All right, so the lens cover does just pop in like so. Really nice. I like that plunger style. Really great for protecting your device. All right, so let's get to it. Let's get this guy set up and see what the video quality looks like. All right, really simply, you're just gonna plug this in like so. Make sure that it fits in there firmly. I'm gonna turn off the lights in the background so you guys can see what the projector looks like. All right, so I'm just gonna bring you a little bit closer to the screen so you guys can see what's going on here. All right, we can choose our language. And we can skip, but we can also go through and we can set up the autofocus. We have our auto keystone corrections. We have our manual keystone corrections. All of those things are available to you right here through your remote. So let's take a look at one of these. Let's just go to the autofocus. It's going to take a few seconds and then it should focus. There we go. We have our autofocus. Now if we want to go to our auto keystone, perfect, perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and move on. All right, as you guys can see now, we have access to all the different platforms. So I can go in here and I can choose Netflix, YouTube, Prime. I can go into our settings. I can go to Apple TV, Disney, all of those. YouTube is one that most people are going to use, so we'll just go ahead and quickly connect to YouTube. As you guys can hear the audio coming in now from the built-in speakers. So as you guys can see, very easily you can access content on here, no problems whatsoever. Now, unfortunately, because of the fact that I'm using this dark screen, let me try darkening this down just a little bit more. So hopefully you guys can see the screen a little bit better. But yes, this guy is very responsive, guys, super fast, no problems there. I think this is going to be a great addition to your home, office, man cave, she shed, your backyard, barbecue, sporting events, all of that kind of cool jazz. So definitely take a look at this. I think this is going to be ideal for a lot of people, including your buddy Rome here. So yeah, I like this. Let's go back out. As you guys can see there again, we are back at our start screen, and you can further scroll down and take a look at other things that are available to you. So I have this at the smallest possible setting because I wanted this to be able to be recorded here in the studio, but you guys get the idea. So at this distance, so you guys can see, we're only this distance from the backdrop, okay? So that's still a very sharp image for a 1080p projector. I am very impressed with this. All right, guys, this has been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. I'm out.